Here I have the Elmira Fireview, the 1842 with the gas burner. And I want to give you guys a 360 degree view of this. Typically a lot of people will do the chrome legs in the front and black in the back because the chrome leg options do get a little bit pricey. So that's how we have our model. This is the back of the gas burner here. It comes standard as propane, and it could be ordered as natural gas, I do believe, with a conversion kit, but you do need to specify that at your time of order. So it's really not bad looking. These legs are decorative on the back, so even if it was exposed in the back of your room, would be just fine. And here's the other side of the stove. You can see the slide. This is your slide damper controls, and this handle is going to be how you open up the stove. Show you guys across the top burners. Across the cooktop. This cooktop has been burned, so this is a good view of what your cooktop will look like after some use. This is the beautiful Elmira.